We have all been there. You are halfway through a great ride, but instead of focusing on the road or trail ahead, you are distracted by discomfort. Finding the right saddle is easily one of the most personal and challenging parts of dialing in your bike setup. Today, we are taking a look at a specialized piece of equipment, the RYET 3D printed saddle. This design is shifting away from traditional foam padding, using a complex lattice structure instead. It is an interesting option to consider if you are looking to update your seating configuration. The main goal here is pressure management. Unlike a solid block of foam, the 3D printed structure is engineered to be firmer in certain areas and more compliant in others. This can help distribute your weight more evenly, potentially reducing those localized pressure points that ruin long rides. One of the most important factors for any saddle is the width. This model comes in two sizes, 145mm and 155mm. It is vital that you know your sit bone measurement before choosing, as a saddle that is too narrow or too wide will never feel right, regardless of the technology. Take a look at the rails. These use a 7x9mm carbon construction. This is common for performance-oriented gear, but you need to verify that your seat post clamp is compatible with oval rails. Not all standard clamps are designed to secure this specific rail shape. Because of its lightweight construction and focus on support, this saddle is marketed for a variety of disciplines, from high-cadence road cycling to the vibrations of gravel and mountain biking. It is a flexible option for riders who switch between different types of bikes. You should consider this saddle if you have already tried standard foam options and still struggle with numbness or pressure. If you are curious about the benefits of 3D printing but want a more accessible price point compared to high-end boutique brands, this is a practical path to explore. However, keep in mind that this is not for everyone. Some riders prefer the traditional feel of high-density foam or leather. Additionally, because the structure is open, you will need to keep up with cleaning, as debris can get into the lattice over time, especially on muddy trail rides. Before you click buy, double-check your seat post compatibility again. It is also worth looking at the current pricing, as there are often significant discounts available. Verify the seller details and current availability to ensure you are getting exactly what you need for your specific build. Ultimately, your comfort on the bike is the priority. This RYET saddle is just one option in a crowded market, but it brings some high-end tech to a more manageable price level. Check the details, compare your measurements, and see if it fits your ride style.